Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will tell you how to make these amazing heart envelopes, a gift for Valentine's Day or any other occasion. You can put a message inside or even a small gift. These envelopes look great both inside and outside. To make one, we will need a rectangular sheet of paper, in my case 30 by 22 centimeters. Divide the length of your paper by 6 and get the pitch that we're going to use now. In my case, it's 5 centimeters. Now measure 2 pitches from the short sides of the rectangle. In my case, it's 5 and 10 centimeters. And now 1 pitch from the longer sides. I got 5 centimeters. Now draw the lines to connect all the points. So we get a network like this. Now let's make some cuts as follows. Starting from the shorter side, cut 2 pitches on the shorter side and then 1 on the longer side. So basically we cut out a little square like this. And do the same on all 4 sides. Oops, I've made a little mistake here. I've cut it in the wrong place. No need to reproach myself though, I just take a small stripe of office paper, apply some glue and fix the mistake with the help of it. Now let's continue. Make the cuts on all 4 sides and cut out the squares. Now it's time for a little trick with these little petals. Go slightly beyond the vertical line and draw a horizontal overmeasure about 2 millimeters wide and cut it out. Just this narrow stripe. Here's what it was and here's what it is now. Do it on all 4 sides. Now let's get down to this part of the envelope. Draw a half of a heart towards the marked line, like this. And cut it out. Don't lose this little piece, we're going to need it later. Now fold one part of the envelope to the other like this, but don't make a central bend on the whole workpiece. Match the cut line that we've just made with the line we've marked on the opposite side, like that. And draw out our heart piece. Cut it out again. This way we have made a symmetrical design on the opposite half. Now let's make the bends along the marked lines in the required direction. Bend the heart halves like this, and the rest like that. Help yourself with a ruler if you need to. Then lift up this border and bend it as if you were making a paper plane. Match the edges, then lift these squares up. And do the same on the opposite side. It should come out like this. And let's get down to the glue. Apply it to all 4 squares. And glue them together with the envelope sides like that. The heart halves should meet. Then grab a piece of some other fancy paper and cut out 2 heart halves using our stencils. Glue them onto the envelope. It's almost ready. Fold the heart halves evenly and make a hole somewhere around the center using a paper knife. I'll help myself with a knitting needle. Run the ribbon through the hole like this. There are so many nice looking offcuts lying around. I guess I'll use them to make another heart for decoration. I'm gluing only 1/2 of the heart. Looks great, doesn't it? And the final stroke. I cut out a square of paper to fit into the bottom of my envelope and insert it inside. Now it's ready. We just need to tie the bow. Look what a nice bunch of envelopes I've made. For one of them, I've used double-sided paper, which is very handy. The envelope comes out nicely looking inside, and I don't have to make one more heart from different paper. So I just glue it and attach the ribbon. Brighten the days of your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, hit like, write comments, and watch other cool videos on my channel.